Hey there, content creators and future online entrepreneurs. Are you ready to transform your AI-generated content into a goldmine? That's right. Today I'm going to reveal the ultimate secrets of monetizing ChatGPT generated content and creating a widely successful income stream. ChatGPT is an incredible AI language model developed by OpenAI, and its potential for content creation is simply mind-blowing. Let's jump into that. Mastering ChatGPT content generation like a boss. Now that you've found your perfect niche, it's time to master the art of content generation using ChatGPT. In this section, we will show you how to create top-notch content with the AI and fine-tune it to align with your audience. Let's dive in. First, get to know your new best friend, ChatGPT. Explore its features, capabilities, and limitations. Experiment with different prompts and settings to understand how the AI responds and generates content. Don't hesitate to try various approaches. The more you experiment, the better the results. When using ChatGPT, be specific with your prompts. Providing detailed instructions will ensure that the AI generates content that closely matches your vision and aligns with your niche. For instance, instead of asking for an article about digital marketing, request a 1,000-word blog post on the top 5 digital marketing trends for small businesses in 2023. Once you have your AI-generated content, it's essential to review and edit it. ChatGPT is impressive, but it's not perfect. Take the time to refine the text, making sure it's coherent, engaging, and free from errors. This attention to detail will set you apart from others and help you create content that truly resonates with your audience. And don't forget, practice makes perfect. The more you work with ChatGPT, the better you'll become at creating high-quality, captivating content that your audience will adore. Mastering ChatGPT content creation is an invaluable skill that will put you on the fast track to monetization success. Number 3, cashing in by selling content to businesses and individuals. All right, it's time for the exciting